We're here at the North Jetty of in Washington, of the North Jetty of the Columbia in Washington. If you can see over here behind me, you can see the waves are pretty big and they're crashing up against the jetty pretty hard. They're crashing against the South Jetty even harder. But this is actually pretty cool. So you can see the lighthouse over there, and you can see the how the waves are splashing up on the rocks over there on the cliffside. That's actually pretty cool. That's really cool, actually. I'm impressed. What? So I'm really impressed with the weather today. And here comes a big wave, as you can see. Look how nice and tall that is. That thing is taller than I am, and I'm 6 feet tall. And they're coming up here pretty good, and they've got some pretty good crashes. But we're going to go ahead and see if we can catch something off of here and see what we get. We got some people out here fishing. We got some people crabbing. I think most of the people out here are crabbing, but we're going to see what we get, right? Wow. I kind of had this sneaky suspicion I'm not going to catch much here. Only because this is so rough. It's going to be a bit difficult even for fish to want to stay in it. Oh wow, that was pretty close. That draw is pretty rough. Hey, I got a little water on me with that one. It splashed the pants just a little bit. So what I do is I kind of give it a little kick. Once you feel the jig there, just give it a little kick like that. I don't really move it too hard or too much, just enough to make it bounce. Oh yeah, there's the beach. You know, look at that. Holy cow. I don't think fishing on this part here is going to be any better. Well, this looks to be a little calmer over here at this end. Well, shoot. Look at this. You got a nice little flat surface here to walk on. So much sand on those rocks though, man. That is how you're gonna end up in the drink. Yeah, so I think this is about as far as I'm gonna go because don't know if you can see it or not, but down at the end, these waves are going over the top of the jetty. Over here it's shallow enough where it's not, but down at the end it is a little further down there. These waves are coming up over the jetty. Probably about another 150 feet or so. It's putting some pretty good spray up there. So I think this is about as far down as I'm going to go. Boink. It is recording, good. Want to make sure. Well, I have it pointed down a little bit because I got my rod tip down. The thinking is, on a nicer day, you get down there pretty far, be decent fishing.